remains in effect until midnight Thursday and now includes the following counties in Pennsylvania: Armstrong, Fayette, Indiana, and Westmoreland. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe weather, including tornadoes, large hail, and damaging winds in and close to the watched area. While severe weather may not be imminent, persons should remain alert for rapidly changing weather conditions and listen for later statements and possible warnings. Stay tuned to NOAA Weather Radio, commercial radio and television outlets, or internet sources for the latest severe weather information.
Low 57. Chance of rain 50%.
Tornado watch number 123 remains in effect until midnight Thursday for the following
Mostly cloudy. Slight chance of a rain shower. High 73.
Pennsylvania, Allegheny, Armstrong,
There's our 7-day outlook.
Greene, Indiana, Lawrence, Washington, and Westmoreland, and the following counties in West Virginia, Brooke, Hancock, Marshall, and Ohio. Remember, a tornado watch means the conditions are favorable for the development of severe
Right
weather.
now, tornado warning to tell you about, and it does look like a very obvious tornado right now on radar. So severe thunderstorm warnings and a tornado warning right here. I say obvious